Welcome to the tutorial video for CellTRAKR cell phone software installation. There's good news and bad news about the installation process. First, the good news. It only takes from 2 to 5 minutes per phone. Also, you just have to point and click your way through the process. There's not a lot of typing or decision making. But here's the bad news. It can be a little bit confusing for those who are not experienced application downloaders. In fact, it can even be a little bit scary. You're probably wondering why we made it scary. Well, we tried our best not to, but there are some things out of our control. Cell phone manufacturers and carriers know that software can be very good or very bad, and they want to make sure that you realize exactly what you're doing. That's their job, and they do it well, but some phone models go a little bit overboard, making you click through many warnings. To be fair, part of that is due to what CellTRAKR does. Let's contrast it with the popular game, the Angry Birds. It is pretty easy to download the Angry Birds because it is self-contained and doesn't access a lot of cell phone resources. On the other hand, CellTRAKR sticks its nose into just about everything. It looks at phone calls, text messages, browser settings, emails, and contacts, and then uses the data network to send information back to the CellTRAKR Service Center. On some phones, you will get warned about each and every one of those. Despite the warnings, the process is really straightforward. We'll send your phone a link, and you'll click on it to get started. The software downloads in a minute or two and automatically starts the installation process. Here's where you'll do a lot of clicking to deal with warnings. About 80% of the time, that's all there is to it because CellTRAKR is smart enough to automatically log you in. However, about 20% of the time, your phone will ask you to reboot. To reboot, you will either click yes, or in a few cases, you will need to briefly remove your battery. This covers almost everybody, but there is an unlucky 5% who still have to manually log in. Even this is pretty simple and may just require that you confirm your phone number and click login. The details of this process vary substantially by phone model, so please watch the videos for your phone types.